Hello everybody, we got yet another Octember failure to report. No electricity today. Just absolutely perfect weather, no storms or anything, so who knows? I reported it and it's supposed to be back on by 2:30 a.m. so that would be a full 13 hours of a power outage. So yeah, we're just kind of hanging out. Don't know if you can hear that in the background, but we're still cooking because we have gas. Cooking up some chicken fried steak tonight. But yeah, I can't be able to tell that on camera, but that's blank thermostat. I don't know, maybe I can try this. Maybe that'll make it work. Nope. My fan won't turn on. So yeah, we'll report back when power is restored, hopefully. Update! It's this vegetation that caused the problem. It's a couple days later after we had the power outage, so I think I'm going to include this Octember fail in with that because it is related. I have no cable and I have no internet. I don't know if the camera makes it out, but the bottom online indicator is flat or kind of pulsing between blue and white, so we're not online. So I guess I'm going to have to call this company up for some excellent customer service. So we'll come back here in a little while and see what happened later on. So the Spectrum guy was out, eliminated the amplifier and all that, and simplified the install. So something was wrong with that. There was a bad splitter outside, and back in business. So once again, thank you for watching.